Hey, if you're like me and you own a Google Pixel Watch 3, we're always looking for new ways to get comfortable bands, and there isn't a whole lot of options out there unless you get ones from Google. So I picked this one up on Amazon. This is from Spigen. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, take a look, and see if it's worth picking up. So let's get started. Okay, so I picked this up from Amazon. This is just under 20 bucks. It is Spigen. This is made for the Google Pixel Watch. So it's made for Google by Spigen. This is for the Pixel Watch 3 45 millimeter. I believe they make it in the 41 millimeter as well. And this is called the Parallax band. So I wanted to get a silicone band for the gym and for just everyday use. I've been rocking this stretch band, and I wanted something that's going to kind of get rid of that sweat. So anyway, let's go ahead, open it up, take a look. Not much to the box here. You can see there's just some information on the back. On the side, we just have the general specifications. We have some information here. This is a matte black. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. There's just a little pull tab here on the back. And we've got the band. Let's see what else we have in here. And it looks like we've got a little instruction manual here. So let's just take a look. So this goes over precautions for use. So this is to tighten fully, it goes over loosely fasten. And then also just kind of how the buckle is going to work on this. So it's a little bit different than any of the other bands that some of the Pixel Watches come with. So let's go ahead and take a look. And we've just got the little plastic bag here. And there we go. And so this is the matte black Parallax band, and it's Parallax because you can see that Parallax design there. We got a little bit of Spigen branding happening there. Looks like we do have stainless steel connectors that's going to connect to the case. So we're going to go ahead and throw that on in just a minute. Take a look at that. And like I said, it does have this little pin buckle here. And we'll go over how to put that on if you're not familiar with that, but real simple. So let's go ahead and check it out. So like I said, I've got the Pixel Watch 3. This is the 45 millimeter variant. And I do have this strap on here right now. It's another aftermarket band I picked up. If you want to see a review on that, let me know and I will do a video on that. Let's go ahead and put the new band on. So to remove the band, you're just going to press in here on this little button, and then you're just going to slide, and it comes off real easy. I've done quite a few videos. If you want to check those out, I'll post those up above. Once again, you're just going to press in that little button, slide, and the band comes off. Okay, and so we've got the two straps here. It looks like this just says Parallax. Sometimes there is a size information. This does just give you 45 millimeters, so it doesn't tell you if it's a large or a medium strap. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this first piece, and we're just gonna go ahead, and what I like to do is I like to press in on the button. So just press in on the button, and then once you have that in there, you're just gonna slide it towards you, and it's gonna lock in there, and that's all there is to it. We'll go ahead and do that on the other side. So once again, we'll just press in on that button and slide towards you, and there we go. And it's as simple as that, real easy to put on. Here is a little bit closer look. You can see that Parallax design there. There is a little bit of a different material here. This does have some grip to it, so that it feels pretty good. Go ahead and take a look here, this side. And you can see that that just mounts right up to the case real nice, and it matches that case. All right, let me go ahead and throw it on the wrist for you so you can get an idea of what this looks like. For reference, I do have a 7-inch wrist, and so there we go, that is on the wrist. And it feels real comfortable. It's light. It's going to help with sweat wicking, which is going to be great, especially for gym use and just everyday use. And the other thing about this that I really like is that you do get a lot of different adjustments. So like I said, I have a 7-inch wrist, and if I go here to, this is about as tight as I could go, there's still 3 more adjustments. And then you can see here that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 more adjustments. So this should fit up to probably a 7-inch wrist. So if you have a larger wrist, this shouldn't be a problem. But that is about it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos are uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.